Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Honeywell thermostat that won't connect to Wi-Fi. So first of all, you need to simply check the Wi-Fi network. Now, many of the Honeywell and the Resideo thermostats support the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi only. So if you are trying to connect to a 5 GHz network, the connection may fail immediately. So if your router combines both the brands, temporarily just separate them or connect to a 2.4 GHz network during the setup. So once this is done, you just have to simply restart or reset your router and the thermostat. So you need to simply unplug the router and wait for 30 seconds. You can also press the reset button on top of your router, and then you can just simply wait for next 30 seconds and then you can plug it back in. After doing so, you need to carefully just re-enter your Wi-Fi password. Even a small typo can trigger the connection errors such as invalid password or connection failure. Now, if the thermostat is located far from the router, the signal strength may be too weak. So in that case, you can also try moving the Wi-Fi extender close or temporarily place the thermostat near the router if it is possible during the setup. Now, if the thermostat was previously connected, you just have to simply reset that Wi-Fi configuration and you need to reconnect it from the scratch. So you can try these easy fixes and see if your thermostat is now working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.